With the use of the rack type field, you have a kind of manual control how to put effects into the right racks. See how this works in the next minutes.
Often companies have multiple types of racks that match effects in a show. In this circumstances, Finale is not able to choose the best fitting rack solution for your situation. In these cases, you can control what kind of racks should be used. To demonstrate this, let's build a very simple show with 6 red 3-inch peonies. Please put them on one position. Then add also 3 green peonies as a flight with an angle of 20 degrees between them. Now add a 10-tube 3-inch mortar rack. For our flight also build a 3-tube mortar fan rack. Now we have all necessary racks that would be optimal for the racking, so let's do the racking and select racks. Add racks for show. As already mentioned, Finale cannot decide which rack layout would be the best, so it is coming up with this solution, which of course is not the best, because we have to carry 3 10-tube mortars. Also 2 of them must be aligned to 20 degrees angles. We can help Finale to assign the racks, so we unhide the Hidden Fields rack type default in the effects window. And rack type in the script window. The rack type is an optional matching condition. If the rack in the effect window has a non-empty rack type, then it will only match effects in the script that have the same rack type. So, if you set the default rack type of or 3 mortar fan rack to a term like 3-inch fan, or any other word of your choice, and set the rack type for the 3 green peonies also to this value, you create such a matching. When Finale will detect a matching, it will use the rack of the matching. Let's try that. First, delete all assigned racks. Assign the racks again. You see, the flies are using their own fan rack, the rest is using on a 110-tube mortar. You can work with the rack type whenever you need to assign special racks or tubes for effects. Another example might be that you have a 6-inch rack, but you want to assign some special Italian cylindrical multi-break shells and unique mortar that can be digged in the ground.